You carry a deep pain, one that has marked your soul. At many moments, the urge to give up and not try anymore was strong, and it is understandable, for those who have been hurt so many times end up feeling like this. The scars that the wounds left do not disappear easily. They remain alive in the memory and make the fear of getting hurt again almost unbearable. They see every scar you carry, every tear you have shed in silence, and they are here today to tell you that all this has a higher purpose, even if it seems impossible to understand now. With each painful experience you have lived, something has been shaped inside you. These pains have made you stronger, wiser, and above all, they have prepared you for something great that is yet to come. God has not forgotten about you, and their angel is here to remind you that, despite all the falls and disappointments, there is a divine plan in action. You may feel like you are walking alone, but the truth is that you have never been abandoned. Everything that happened was part of a learning process, and although it has been difficult, your inner strength has grown. It is understandable that you may be afraid to love again. The fear of suffering, of surrendering body and soul and ending up hurt, is a feeling that many carry after going through unsuccessful relationships. Perhaps you feel that it is better to protect yourself, build walls around your heart to avoid new disappointments. But what their angel wants to tell you today is that these walls, which seem to protect you, are actually keeping you away from the blessings that the universe is preparing. God is working behind the scenes of their life. They see what you can't see, and while you try to heal your wounds, they are already preparing something beyond what you can imagine. The love you desire so much is not just an illusion or something that only exists for others. You also deserve that love, a true, deep, and transformative love. And that love is on its way. But for it to arrive, you need to believe, trust, and above all, allow yourself to live again. I know that, at this moment, you may be feeling tired, exhausted from everything you have been through. The burden of difficult memories, broken promises, and shattered hearts weighs on your shoulders. But the angel by your side today whispers a truth that needs to be heard. The love that is coming will not be like the others. It will be different, pure, and blessed. But for you to receive it with open arms, you need to release the weight you carry. Letting go does not mean forgetting, nor pretending that the pain did not exist. It means, yes, accepting that the past was part of your journey, but it does not define your future. What is yet to come is much greater than any pain you have ever experienced. Healing is on its way, and with it will come the rebirth of your heart. You may have doubts about how it will be possible to believe in love again. How to allow yourself to be vulnerable again after so many disappointments. That is understandable, but what your angel wants you to understand is that this vulnerability is not a weakness, but your greatest strength. It is through it that true love can flourish in your life. There is no need to be afraid of surrendering, because what God is preparing for you is beyond any expectation. This new love will not be superficial, but deep, rooted in truth and sincerity. Their angel knows there is a hesitation within them, a resistance that arises every time they think about opening their heart again. But they are here to guide you, to hold your hand and help you take that first step. It doesn't have to be all at once. The important thing is to start, little by little, to trust that true love is possible for them. Don't let past experiences close the doors to new opportunities that are coming. Every relationship that didn't work out, every disappointment they experienced, were just steps on the way to something much greater and more beautiful. Perhaps right now they don't see it clearly, but soon over time, they will realize that everything had a purpose. Their angel is preparing them, day after day, to receive this love that God is preparing. This love will be different because it will come with healing, understanding, respect, and true surrender. They deserve this love, and it is closer than they imagine. They are a woman of strength, a woman who has overcome so many internal and external battles. And now, the time has come to allow love to blossom in their heart again. Don't let yourself be trapped by fear, by the pain of the past, or by insecurities. What is to come is much greater than any suffering they have ever experienced. God is preparing something special for them, and their angel is by their side, guiding them on this journey. Love doesn't need to arrive when everything is resolved, when all the wounds are closed. On the contrary, it may be exactly what was missing for the healing process to be complete. The love that is on its way will be a blessing, something sent to help you rebuild parts of yourself that have been damaged by past pains. Sometimes, healing comes from outside, from a person who sees us in full, who sees beyond our wounds and understands the essence of who we are. This will be the type of love that God is preparing for them. However, it is essential that they are willing to let love in. The fear of the unknown is natural, but what their angel wants to show them is that faith can overcome any fear. By opening up to this new possibility, they will be telling the universe that they are ready to receive all the good things that are in store for them. And know that God and their angels are working behind the scenes, orchestrating every detail of this reunion. They may not see how everything will fit together at this moment, but trust that there is a greater purpose at play. The resistance they feel, that urge to protect themselves, is understandable. Pain has taught them to be cautious, to think twice before trusting. But their angel wants them to know that the love that is coming will not be like the ones before. It will come with understanding, patience, and truth. It will be a love that respects their time and their needs, a love that will grow slowly, without rush, but with a depth they have never experienced before. This new love will also bring an inner transformation. As they allow themselves to feel, love, and trust again, something inside them will also heal. They will realize that not all experiences will be like the past ones. What they have lived through has served as a lesson, and now they are wiser, more prepared to welcome a healthy and true relationship. The angels ask them not to cling to past pains, but to see them as lessons that have made them stronger. The person who is coming will be someone who will understand their scars, who will accept them, but above all, who will help them see the beauty that still exists in their heart. There is a synchrony happening in the universe. While you prepare for this love, the person who is destined for you is also going through a process of transformation. Their angels are working so that, at the right moment, you will meet in a way that will be completely blessed. God's time is perfect, and when the heart is ready, things happen in the most natural and wonderful way possible. Their angel asks you to believe, to keep the faith alive. Even when doubts arise, when fear tries to paralyze you, remember that you are not alone. With each step you take towards this healing, their angels are accompanying you. They see beyond what you can see and know that you are on the right path. What God has prepared for you is closer than you imagine, but you need to be open to receive it. The journey up to this point has been difficult, and no one can minimize the pain you have felt. But now is the time to look ahead, to trust that what is coming will be a blessing that will compensate for every tear shed, every sleepless night, every pain that seemed unbearable. The love that is being prepared for you will be a balm for your soul, something that will make you smile again, believe again, live again. And this love will come with the certainty that it is part of a divine plan, something that has already been written for you from the beginning. Their angels want you to remember something very important. You deserve this love. No matter what past experiences have tried to make you believe, you are worthy of being loved. What is coming into your life will be proof of that. The universe is working in your favor, and every day, you are getting closer and closer to this blessing. But for all this to happen, it is necessary that you also do your part. Trust, believe, and be ready to welcome love. This love won't be perfect, but it will be deep, real, and lasting. It will be built on solid foundations, and each day will be a new opportunity to strengthen this connection. You may still feel afraid, but know that their angels are by their side, guiding and protecting them. They remind you that love is not meant to hurt you, but to transform you, to help you grow and flourish into a new version of yourself. When they allow themselves to experience this love, they will realize that every difficulty was just preparation for what really matters. Every disappointment, every mistake, everything was part of a process that brought them to this point. And now, you are more prepared than ever to experience something true, something that surpasses expectations. What the universe is offering you is a gift, and all you need to do is open your heart and receive it. Their angel is telling them that the moment is near. You may already be feeling it, that sense that something is about to change. And it is. Do not rush, trust in God's timing. The most beautiful things happen when we least expect them, and the love that is coming will fill every empty space that the past left behind. It will be the beginning of a new phase in your life, a phase of joy, of fulfillment, of growth, and above all of love. As time goes by, you will start to see the signs of this love manifesting. It may be through small gestures, unexpected encounters, or even in moments of deep reflection. The angels are around you, guiding each step, and they want you to know that you are exactly where you should be. The path you have walked, no matter how painful it may have been, has brought you here. And now, it is time to reap the rewards of this journey. Believe that what is to come will be a true blessing. You will notice that as they open up to love, things around them will start to change. There will be a lightness, a new energy flowing into their life. Love has the ability to transform everything around them, and they will feel this intensely. Those walls they built to protect themselves will slowly crumble, and they will see that, in fact, they were not necessary. What is coming to them is not something that will hurt or harm them, but something that will strengthen them, heal them, and make them feel alive again. It is important that they keep their mind and heart open. Do not be swayed by negative thoughts or limiting beliefs that tell you that love is not for them. These ideas are not part of the divine plan that God and their angels have for their life. The love that is coming is real, it already exists in the spiritual realm, and will soon be present in their reality. All they need to do now is trust, let go of past expectations, and allow themselves to live the new that is about to come. Their angels are constantly sending signs to guide them, and they want them to pay attention to these little miracles that happen every day. It could be a conversation they overhear, an encouraging word from a friend, or even a sense of peace that fills their heart in times of uncertainty. These are reminders that they are not alone, that true love is approaching, and that everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. They will also notice that as this love approaches, there will be a healing happening within them. The wounds of the past, which once seemed so painful, will begin to heal. This new love will bring with it the healing they have been seeking. And the most beautiful part of it all is that this healing will come not only from the outside, but also from within them. By opening up to love, they will be healing from all the beliefs that made them believe they were not worthy of receiving something so beautiful. Their angels ask that they be patient with themselves during this process. Do not be so hard on themselves. Do not demand that everything be perfect right away. Love is a path that is built gradually, with tenderness, care, and respect. Give themselves the necessary time to adjust to this new phase, to allow themselves to feel again, and above all, to trust that everything is happening at the right time. God is in control of all things, and nothing happens by chance. Every experience they have lived, every tear they have shed, was part of a greater plan. And now, this plan is unfolding in a magnificent way. The love that is about to come will be a gift from heaven, something they will deeply cherish because they will know how much it took to get here. Their angels are reminding them that they are loved, that the universe has a beautiful purpose for their life, and that this purpose is manifesting now. When they look back, they will realize that everything made sense. The pains, the losses, the moments of doubt, everything was necessary to prepare them for this moment. What they are about to experience will be a reward for all their courage, for never giving up believing, even when it seemed impossible. Their angels are by their side, celebrating every step they take towards this new beginning. So, now is the time to prepare themselves. Open their heart, allow themselves to dream again, allow themselves to believe that the best is yet to come. True love, the one that heals, transforms, and uplifts, is on its way. And when it arrives, they will know that it was worth the wait, that every moment of pain was just a preparation for the immense joy they are about to experience. Their angels remind you that love is a divine gift, and it is being carefully prepared for them. Believe in it with all their heart. What is to come will be greater than they can imagine. Trust the process, trust in God's timing, and allow yourself to live this new phase with joy and gratitude. And when love finally enters their life, they will realize that every step they have taken so far, every battle they have faced, every moment of waiting, all of it was worth it. Because what they are going to experience will be something deep, true, and blessed, something that will brighten their life in a way they never imagined. This is the moment to trust, to believe, to surrender to what the universe is preparing for them. Their angels are by their side, guiding them, protecting them, and reminding them every day that they are worthy of living this great love. Open your heart and receive this blessing with all the joy and gratitude you deserve.